What up, guys? We got Weeb Shank, first of all. We got, I believe this is Death End Request. Code Z, I want to say. It was canceled for the Switch, if I recall correctly. And then it's a PlayAsia exclusive. Bro, y'all should see how I'm opening this. I'm doing it dangerous. I'm gonna shank myself. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, this is packed in there, bro. It feels like they built we got the PlayAsia stickers. It felt like they built the thing around it. Get that out of the way. There we go. Death End Request Code Z. I told y'all. That's what it was called. Do I need to shank this? Oh, maybe not. Maybe we don't need to shank it. Boom. Out of my face. What is this? I think it's just a sticker. It looks like you could peel it out. It's perforated. Perforated. You know what I'm saying? Oh, beautiful. That's just beautiful. What else we got? Oh, this is wrapped again. Got some more wrapping. Ugh. We being dangerous with this. There we go. I didn't even realize the cover looked like that. For some reason, I thought the cover was this. I guess because it was on top, but it's like hard to show the frame. Hard to get it in frame, actually, because... Oh, y'all can see my monitor. It's like right there. Step into a tale of parallel universes. This edition includes Death End Request Code Z game, numbered certificate, original soundtrack, acrylic standee, sticker set, mini case, and an art book. Y'all know we like them art books. 1976, huh? Does it say how many there is total? No, it just says numbered certificate. Oof. Rah. Okay, that's everything. Rah. Leave that there. What is this? Oh, it's my numbered certificate. 1976. Y'all hating? Dang, dude, I got almost one of the last ones. And then the back, not for resale. This is what is it called? Well, y'all can see right here. It's like embedded into the you know what I mean. Original soundtrack. Oh yeah. Does this game have banger music? I've never played any. Death End. If y'all think I'm being sloppy, it's because the microphone's covering everything. I can't even see, bruh. Oh, they gave me one of the cute little cases. Look at it. It's a tiny Nintendo Switch case. Hold on, let me change the color of my lighting. Wait, that was wrong. No, that's still red. This one's better. Just so it's not as reflective. It's got the. What does it say? Is it the same? Oh, it is the same. And then look at the back. Look at it. I think the Switch game actually fits in here. Is this close? Oh, it sure does. Let's put that back in its little packet. What is this? Just the soundtrack? Yep, just the soundtrack. Let me do all the items we went through on the right. What is this? The Joy-Con stickers. It's got the girl on it. And this one's got another girl on it. I don't know who those characters are because I've never played these games. I probably am going to play this on my... Not probably, I am going to play it on the acrylic standee. I am going to play it on my... This is the little Switch case. This is the numbered certificate. And then this is the art book. We'll look at the art book last. Let's use the weeb shank again to let this open. There we go. This is a nice cover art. Oh, that's the other girl that's on the Joy-Con sticker. I don't know who that is. Survive maze-like dungeons where death awaits around every turn. Enhance weapons in town and prepare yourself for battle. Challenge bosses, rescue allies, and escape before insanity takes hold. And so the battle with another world enters a new phase. Will you survive and escape? Ugh. Okay, we got the game. Oh, it smells like death, but sexy death. We got a manual, backpack system menu. Like, can y'all see that? Yeah. Y'all want to read it? Pause it. Pause it. I think this is the only way to play it in English too. Is if you have this game. Physically, I mean. Put that in there. Does this fit in here? No, it does not. Well, this fits in here though, doesn't it? No, it does not. No, it does. It does. It does. Wait. There we go. Like a glove. And now the art book. Y'all know we like our art books. This is thick too, this cover page. Like really. Oh. Hey, Nanameta commentary. Y'all want me to read this? I aim to create a different type of heroine. Wait. Oh, I think that's just the person that made the character. Different type of heroine compared to our previous protagonist, Sheena and Mai. She wears a Jitome Kei or Eyes have closed expression and has an overall more voluptuous figure, especially her thighs. Her buggy is inspired by the redback spider, and due to their shared spider motif, her design is reminiscent of Sheena's. Get the glare off of the screen. Voice actor Yoshino Aoyama. Sheena Ninomiya and Mai Toyoma. So this is who she's supposed to resemble? I don't want to read all that. Y'all want to read it? Y'all can pause it. Yurisa Yamamura. Lilith Yamamura. Hinata Morikubo. And Naraka Morikubo. Okay. Kaeda Hizumi. I'm gonna stop saying the names too. Svetlana. Huh? Chloe. Okay, Chloe looking kind of fire with that hood. Oh, the first guy, Levin. This looks like the main character. Is it the main character? Just like some evil form? Oh yeah, I said I was gonna play this on my main channel. Not main channel, my horror game channel. Xavier's Horror Corner. You know what I'm saying? So y'all wanna see it? Y'all wanna see the gameplay? Go to Xavier's Horror Corner. We trying to get that one to 1,000 subs. We not even close, boy. You know what I'm saying? Okay, that looks gruesome right there, bro. That's some gruesome action right there. Like, what is going on in this, bro? Concept art. Regular edition package. Rough draft 1 and 2. Some more rough draft action. The main character. I guess with different eyes. I don't know. And all the other characters. Y'all want this closer to the camera? And that's the art book. So that was Death and Request Code Z. So is this the same character? They look very similar. Just because of the eyes, I guess. Maybe they're not the same character. But yeah, I'm probably gonna play this on my other channel, Xavier's Horror Corner. Unless y'all start spamming me, it's probably gonna be like one episode every Saturday. Something like that. I'll figure it out. Yo, this standee pretty epic, bro. I'm not gonna lie, this character design kind of fire. No? Character design fire? Yeah, it's fire, bro. Just admit it, guys. Now, how did this go? I remember this was on top of Arathang. Did this go on here or something? Nah. Bro, putting back these special editions is like such a hassle. Look, it don't even fit. Like what? But you came in this package, bruh. What do you mean you don't fit anymore? Am I doing it wrong? Was it this way? No, that don't make sense. But that's the only way the package fits. Am I dumb? Perhaps. Look, it's wider than the. It's wider than this, bruh. Let's make a pretty picture. Is the where the thing at? The certificate. Like that. Um like that. I don't know, I'll take a different picture. I'm just gonna end the video and put the stuff away off video, off camera. But yeah, y'all want to see the gameplay of this? Xavier's Horror Corners. Go spam me on that to start playing this game. Like, sub, see you on the next one.